Hello everyone. In this exercise of Autocad, we will understand how to move an object to specific coordinates. Okay. First, we will have to make a settings here. This is this status bar. There is a dynamic input button. If you don't have this input button, you can go in this corner 3 lines and customize it. There is a dynamic input. This one. If you uncheck it, it will disappear from here. You can make it visible from here by checking it. This one, dynamic input. Okay, now this is dynamic input. If you bring your cursor, this will come dynamic input. Right click on this one. At this time, first it is on. When it is on, this is in blue color. Okay, now right click on this and dynamic input. Now this window comes here. Now, and you see here, enable pointer input setting. Go here, point setting, and you go the pointer setting Cartesian format, not polar. You have to select Cartesian format and absolute coordinates. Okay and okay. This one. For in order to explain this thing, first I make a object here. Suppose I make a circle, and this circle, suppose radius is 200. Enter. This I have made this one. Okay. Suppose I want to move it this object to a specific coordinate. Okay, in dimension of this one, if you see, this dimension of radius is this one, and dimension is 200. Okay, now I want to move it at a specific coordinate. For example, I want to move from this origin at 400 in x direction and 400 in the y direction. I want to move this object. How? Select move, select this object, select this object, select this object, enter. Now select the base point, this one, base point, and move. Now give the value of the coordinate which you are concerned. Suppose I give the value 400, 400, enter. Now if you will see, if you want to see the coordinates of the center point of the circle, is press LI on the keyboard and enter. Now this is list command. For the list, this is the list command, and select the object, this one, enter, and this message comes here. You will see the circle, space, model space, handle. This one, center point is 400 and y is other. The center point of this is from this origin is at 100 in x direction, and the y direction is at 400. Radius of circle is 200, circumference is this one in this way, and I draw. Suppose now you want to make this object to appear at origin, that is 0, 0. How? Same procedure. Move, select this object, enter, and select the base point. I want to move it. Select the center point. Now I am moving. Now where you want to move? I want to move it at origin. Okay, origin. So give the value 0, 0, enter. Now it is 0. If you see LI, enter, select the object, and enter. Now you see the center point is at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Radius same and circumference is. In this way you can move this object. Suppose you want to make it in minus direction. That also is possible. Move, select this object, enter, select the base point. Suppose you want to move in the minus. This is x is positive, y is minus. Suppose I want to meet x is 400. 400 plus this 400, minus 400, enter. Now you will see this value, this is positive and this is negative. If you see the value, LI, enter, select the object, enter. Now you will see this. X is 400, y is center of this circle is x is 400, y is this one. Radius same as this one. In this way you can move the object. You can take any object, whether it is rectangle, any object you can move in this way to a specific coordinates. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this, and you please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you.